Hello, class. My name is Abraham Rivera, and this is my Pecha Kucha assignment. So, for my mission, what I really want to do is live a good life, do my careers, make good, earn money, and retire when I'm around 50 years old. I know it's a little bit of an early retirement, but that's the goal in my life, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Oh. Okay. So first things first, family is very important to me, and my family is a military family. So I feel like keeping it inside the kind of family tradition is what's best because my parents have a good life, and that's something that I really aspire and I look up to them. So if you don't know who this is Future. So for my future, I plan to finish out. To get my associate's degree in college, join the military, become a mechanic, and get out of the military, become a teacher. What I really want to do, and get the benefits, retire, buy some property, and really go on about my life. So the mechanic, like I said, I will be. I'm going to be applying for a maintenance mechanic in the military, more specifically the Army. So I'll be working on trucks, ATVs, Hummers, and doing maintenance work. I want to become a technician, so that's the easy way to do it through the military. And so the military has a program called Boots to Business. So when you're out of the military, the Army will actually help you get a job outside. So I always wanted to be a teacher, so I'm going to do the Boots to Teacher business, where they'll set you up in a DODEA program, which is Department of Defense Education, and I'll become a teacher. Now you might be thinking, Abraham, this sounds like a lot. Do you have this all planned out? Well, of course I do. I have it planned out to the T. And in these next couple slides, I'm going to show exactly how I'm going to do it. I showed you what I want to do, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to achieve those goals. So, like I said, the military, I'm going to get my associate's degree and enlist as an E3. So, I'll be making $23,000 a month on top of free housing, free dental, free medical, and a bunch of other benefits that the Army supplies. And not to mention that they're going to pay for my college while I'm in the Army. So, I'll be attending and enlisted. Um, during this during while I'm in the army, I'll stack up my paycheck and invest my money into some property or into some buildings, so that way I can have that on the side. Property is a great investment. Value always goes up, and when I'm not using it, I still get that paycheck in my back pockets. After I get out of the army, like I said, I plan on going to be a teacher, which is a government employed job. So in the army, they call this double dipping because when you retire, you get your retirement check from the army, and when you retire from a federal employee, you also get a retirement check. So you get two retirement checks for the rest of your life, and you'll be able to retire at around 50 years old. So once I do all of this, hopefully along the way I meet a special woman. I have kids, and I plan to set up my kids for financial wealth in the future, so they can go to college. They can do what they want to do. I'm not going to pressure them to join the military, but it's always a good thing. So I'll have my family set up in the future, and that's my goal. This has been my oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. This has been my Pekka Kucha assignments, and now you know my purpose in life and my goal and what I have to achieve. Thank you for listening, and everyone, have a good day.